Good morning everyone, I hope you're all doing great today. I just wanted to give you a quick tip on how to increase your margins when you're doing online arbitrage, and I'll give you the example of this product. So this is a French website, and right now we have sales for the next 5 weeks, I think. And you see, I found this product and it costs $28.50. And now if you go to Amazon France, what you'll see is that Amazon is selling it for $49.55. So you first think that you may make a margin, but actually the supplier, see, King Jouet, holds the buy box. So in this example here, you cannot make a profit because this guy is gonna hold the buy box, right? He's both on Amazon and he's your supplier, so it's not gonna work. So the trick here to instantly increase the margin is to go to Amazon Co UK, and here you see the price is $39.99. So don't forget that this is pounds and this is euros. So this is 45 euros compared to 28.50 euros. So it's not bad at all. I think you can make at least €5 profit on this. And obviously here, this guy, they're not holding the buy box anymore. So you have the freedom to sell this product here, and you'll make some good money. And the trick, if you want to use Profit Wolf here, is to, instead of comparing your products against France, you're going to compare your products against UK. Select your site, select the sales, and then you scan and you're good to go. And obviously, you know, if you make the extra work of going to these French websites, then you obviously have an advantage compared to the people in the UK who just stick to the UK websites, right? So, you know, it's a great way to kind of diversify not only the sites that you usually go to, but also to be different from everyone else, right? Because everyone just goes to UK sites and they sell in the UK. But if you source in French sites where they have sales right now, and then you sell that in the UK, then you know you have the potential to make a lot more money. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.